Yeah. All right. Yeah. What's up, y'all? Got my gloves on. Wearing my Seth Fowler t-shirt, so I'm probably gonna say some dad jokes.
Dad jokes? What? SB Mitch? SB.
Hi, welcome to the channel. If you haven't seen me before, give me a follow on Twitter. You can subscribe to the channel if you really want to. Basically, these kind of videos and the occasional annoying other kind of video. But hey, whatever. Hi, pals. Welcome to another installment of Beater Box Friday. This box comes to us from Sole Supremacy, just like every other box, because they do good job, which is not a real sentence. This box cost $500 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Freezing cold Chicago, Illinois. That's why I'm wearing a t-shirt when it's like 15 degrees outside. Because my radiators are going crazy right now. You don't care. What am I telling you for? For a grand total of $550. Boom! That's clearance. Counter. You know what counters do. But stick around until the end because I will show you how much the perceived market value of the entire box is. Put it up against how much I paid. And we can see what kind of potential profit there is in this box. Keep in mind that the numbers that pop up on your screen too, that's just the market value. That's not how much the shoes are for sale for. So let's pop this, what is it? Box? What's another word for box? Let's open it and not sit here and think of other ways to say the word box. Because it's just a normal noun. What am I doing? These videos are terrible. Last couple weeks were $425. This is from the same week as the Flyknit heavy box, so don't be surprised if there's some Flyknit stuff in here because who knows how big that collection was that that person sold Sole Supremacy. So, yep, there's Flyknits in here. Let's get this likely Flyknit racer or trainer out of the way. It is a size 9 and it is a Flyknit racer. This is actually a really nice colorway. So if you saw last week's video, there were 7 pairs of Flyknit racers and trainers in a box in size 9. So this is probably from the same seller, but this is a University Red Flyknit racer. It's actually a really nice colorway, and I don't like red, but I do like the contrast of the white midsole. I'm waiting until the counter goes away. There we go. Outsole's in great shape. This is actually probably one of the least worn pairs of all the ones we got last week, but there's still paper in here in both of them, and the insole's in good shape. So there's your first shoe out of size 9 Flyknit racer. Probably about 80 to 100 bucks in there. If you want to buy that pair of shoes or any of the other shoes in this box, hit up my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website at sbmitch.com. And keep in mind, $50 February is going on the entire month of February. So check that out if you want, I guess. The best pairs will be on Fridays, and there's another thing called $20 Saturday, where every pair on Saturday will be $20. Check it out. Looks like we got all Jumpman. So let's grab this. We got a size 9 Jordan 13 Retro. Got a pair of He Got Game 13s. This is a really great colorway. Got film over the hologram still. A full Jumpman on the insole, which is really good. Just needs a little bit of an outsole cleaning and maybe a little bit on the uppers too, but overall these are lightly worn. This is a really great size. Size 9, good size, 13s. He Got Games. Cool. Most recent release, 2018, I think. All right, what's this? Jordan 11 Retro Low in a size 10. These are super lightly worn. This is the Zen colorway. I think this is the one that retroed pretty recently. 2016, 2015 it looks like. Yeah, 2015. So it's relatively new. I think it's called Cobalt Zen or something like that. Yeah, white Cobalt Zen gray. I mean, it's the difference with the IEs is there's no patent leather and it's got these like vents on the upper. It's size 10. Got a Jumpman in there still. Outsole's in good shape, just a little bit dirty. Nothing really to say about these. We better get it in the middle of summer, but there you go, size 10. Cobalt Zen 11 IE lows. What's next? A size 12 Jordan 11 Retro Low. Ooh, this is probably one of my most favorite 11 Retro Low colorways. This is the Georgetown colorway. I just really like this subtle gray with this navy blue patent. This pair in particular, they're worn, obviously. Box is a little beat up. Outsole's in good shape, just needs a clean up. Upper's got some creasing, obviously, because it's patent leather. I mean, you can look at patent leather and it'll crease. I've said that like 15 billion times on this channel. But the 30th on the insole is in good shape. These just need a light cleanup. So size 12 is an excellent size for any Jordan, if you ask me. And this is a Jordan, so don't ask me. What? Size 12, good shoe. Georgetown 11 lows. I really like that colorway. Next up, size 12, Jordan 11 Retro Low. Got another pair of 11 Retro Lows. I don't know what this colorway is. What does it say on the box? It says metallic silver. It's got this like almost like cloudiness going on in the patent leather. I don't know what this colorway is called. It kind of reminds me of 72 and 10s because of the outsole, which you can see is not very worn or discolored. It's just kind of that 72 and 10-ish looking kind of outsole. What? That's not a sentence. But anyway, these are in pretty decent shape. The insole has some more wear than the other ones, but yeah, I don't know what these are called, but it's a cool colorway, I guess. Size 12 is a good size. There you go. Cool. So the last two in here are from the Countdown Pack, which is very cool. These are from 2008, so they do have some years on them. So here's the first one. It says it's the 15 and 8 Jordan Countdown Pack. That's probably one of the... I really don't like 15s and I really don't like 8s, but it's a size 10 and a half. Let's see which one this is. This is the 15. It's worn very lightly though, actually. So good shape for a 13-year-old shoe, basically. But here's the Jordan 15 from the Countdown Pack. It's basically a bread colorway. Really, really light wear on the outsoles. I mean, 15s are... I mean, Tinker has gone on record saying these 15s are like his least favorite design of all time. If you rock 15s, more power to you, because some people do love them and there's nothing wrong with wearing what you like. So size 10 and a half. Jordan 15s from the Countdown Pack. And hopefully that means that this other pair will be the Jordan 8s from the Countdown Pack. That it is. These are discolored like crazy, but again, 13-year-old shoe. Countdown Pack 8s. You can see a lot of discoloration on the outsole. The outsole is in good shape too. It's got that signature Countdown Pack insole. These were loved. I mean, these are in good shape still. This is, I mean, I really don't like 8s, but a lot of people do like 8s because of what they signify in Michael Jordan's career, which is, you know, nothing wrong with that. I just don't like this weird, like, 1980s looking, Saved by the Bell looking style thing on here. But this is in good shape. There's just a little bit of toe box creasing. These, again, these look wearable like the 15s. So this is a size 10 and a half, correct? Yep, from the same pack. There you go. There's your last shoe out. 10 and a half Countdown Pack. Very cool. And that is a $500 Sole Supremacy beater box. Pretty good. I mean, there's that one Flyknit that gave me a heart attack. I don't know. Let's look at the numbers right now and we'll talk about it afterwards. Bought those racers from StockX. Hey, this is a good box. This is what you expect in a $500 box, and the models in here are pretty easy to move. Aside from the 15s, maybe the Countdown Pack in general, just because it's so old. But the value's there. I really like this box. I think it's really good. Those He Got Games are really classic OG colorway too. So, hey, if you're interested in buying any of these shoes, they will be cleaned up and disinfected, and then they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website at sbmitch.com. Check that out for $50 February as well, where I'm releasing a pair of sneakers every day throughout the entire month of February for $50 or less. And then also, if you're into saving money on cleaning your shoe stuff, check out Reshoevnator.com. Use the code SBMitch10 at checkout to save yourself 10%. A whole bunch of fun housekeeping things to tell you today. We're going to be doing a live unboxing sometime soon. I don't know what day yet, but it's probably going to be sometime next week. So check my Twitter for that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Hope you had a good time. I'm still going to keep doing these low tier boxes until February is over. So sorry. But anywho, have a great rest of your weekend. Remember to take care of each other and to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.